We're going to do some push-ups today. Very short, and super fast. Yes, maximum speed, really. So, what is the date? The date is the 10th of January, the year 2012. This is just for me to keep it on record in the future, so I see what I did, how old I was, and the year that I did it. So I'm 71 years old this year, 71, yeah. I was born in 1940. So here is 10 of January, the year 2012, right? Okay. So, let me get this away from here. So, like I said, they're going to be super fast. At maximum, I'm going to try to do 150, and I'll see how long it will take me to do it. Yes, 150. Wow. There is the world champion. I don't recall his name now. I saw him on YouTube. He's got a world record of 138 in 1 minute. 138 in 1 minute, 60 seconds. Of course, we're not talking about full push-ups here, because when you're going at that speed, it's action and reaction. So, anyway, I was not able to see his because they don't show it, but it was written 138. But I presume, that they're short also. Okay then. So I have the clock synchronized with the other one here. I'll wait the needle to go around. I breathe some oxygen, because the problem with this fast push-ups, you're running out of oxygen. The breath becomes difficult. You'll see after I finish how difficult it is just to talk, So, about 50 seconds to go. How long it takes. Looks like about 47 or 48 seconds. You see the difficulty in breathing? That's the problem. Okay. So, now I'll make the camera go backwards and we'll check the video to be sure.